guys, so I'm just going to do a little demo for you of how to use the belt sander so that when you're ready to be sanding the edge of your blockhead, then you know exactly what you're going to be doing. First things first, you need to make sure you've got your goggles. Remember, this is one set of goggles per person and you keep them for the entire lesson, so don't go be putting them back in the yellow box once you've used them. You can just pop them on your head like a little snazzy pair of sunglasses. So when you're ready to sand the end of your wood, you need to make sure that you've got your line drawn on it. So if you haven't done this stage yet, then you are not ready to be doing this next stage. Okay, so you must have your lines drawn on so you know where you're going to be sanding to. Just a little tour of our belt sander. You should hopefully see along here there is a little line. That means that you do not put your fingers anywhere over that line. You want to keep you nice and safe. So if your wood is smaller than that, which none of your pieces should be, then you can't use this bit of equipment to do your sanding. Okay, so only bits that are longer than that, and make sure your hands are kept nice and firmly away from it. The on-off button, hopefully you can see, is just in this little cap here. The on is green, the off is red. If there's an emergency, you can just slam the red one there, but you do need to open the cap in order to be able to turn it on. Once you're ready to sand, you always have your wood flat on this surface. We never sand up in the air like this. Okay, and you're always going to keep two hands on it. Just let me get this into position so you can hopefully see. There we go, hope you see. So it's going to make a bit of noise, but I'm going to be holding my bit of wood nice and tight on the bottom, turning it on. And hopefully, as you can see, this is now down to the line. I've moved it left and right along the sandpaper as it's moving around, keeping my hands nice and out of the way. Okay, remember, say goggles always stay on for this. Please make sure you're also always looking forward and not having a chat with your friends while you're using any machinery, because again, we want to keep you nice and safe. Hopefully, that's a nice little demo of how to get your ends nice and smooth.